Hello boys and girls, welcome to the second part of our organization lesson. Okay, for this part we're going to be creating folders to put your work you download in. So, how do we create a folder on our desktop? On our desktop you're going to take your mouse and you're going to right click once and it's going to pull up this taskbar. Then we're going to go down all the way to new, and when we put our cursor on new we have another little taskbar. If you slide it over and go to the top, then you select the word folder. Once you have selected the word folder, it will open a new folder on your desktop. The word new folder will be highlighted in blue for you to be able to change. We don't want our folder's name to be new folder, so we're going to say backspace. And we're going to put in VCS schoolwork. That's going to be the name of our folder. Once our folder is made, we can double click to go in, and then we're inside our folder. Inside our folder we want to have a bit more organization than just random work all over the place. So we're going to make a folder